go 57 kilometers an hour.
What you want, what you want.
What? I like it. Oh no. Today we are going to unbox the Ausom GX1. They reached to me. Thank you very much, Ausom, for sending this scooter. This is the most affordable scooter they have so far, and also the only scooter that can be shipped to Europe. That's unfortunate. They actually have way more scooters. I also have an amazing discount code for this scooter. You can check it in the description, and yeah, we should start the unboxing. Yeah. I'm actually excited for this scooter because a lot of people can afford it. Let's see how much you get for this value actually. Let's go! As usual, we have here the legendary unboxing knife. Yeah, that was it, buddy. Thank you for your service. What's great about this scooter is that it only weighs 20 kilos. You can carry this thing everywhere. And I'm saying this because I also have scooters that weigh 64 kilos. So what do we've got here? We've got the manual. You know what I say about manuals. I have no idea where those two go. We've got the default imbus thingy. That's a nice touch. Cable together with the charger. No way. This is the smallest charger I have. It is so cute. Look at it next to my hand. 1.5 amps. It should be good enough for this scooter. I guess we can just take it out of the box. It was that easy? This is the easiest unboxing I've ever done. Wow. Well, that was easy. No need of the box. Okay, so this is the scooter right here. Not bad looking, actually. I know for a fact that it has a lot of lights, and that's really helpful if you want to commute at night. Those are 19-inch wheels. Let's unfold this bad boy. You know what? I actually love the form factor of this scooter. It is so small and you can carry it everywhere. If you're that kind of guy who's afraid of leaving this thing out because, I don't know, somebody might steal it, you can take it with you. There's this huge LED right here. I think you're really visible at night. I don't know how far will this thing will blast light, but anyway, that's really cool. Let's unfold this thing. Oh, like this. Okay, that was easy. And it also feels really stiff. Imagine not adjusting the height of it. You also have to tighten those two right here. Let's get this thing up. This is a cute throttle right here. And no way, you're telling me those are the keys of it. Let me adjust those things real quick. All set. It also has those buttons right here. I don't know what are they for. I've never seen a button on those things. That's awesome. It feels sturdy. Let's turn this thing on. Those are the keys. And they are so cute. I mean, just look at them. It is so easy. I can't even describe how easy this thing is. I mean, look at this. You can lift it that easy. I guess this is the power button. Okay. Something is happening. And it says card. Okay, so I guess... Wow, it was that easy. Okay, what are those buttons for? No way! Those are actually turn signals. That's awesome implementation. I have no idea if this thing has programmer settings or anything like that. The throttle is extremely responsive. Oh, so that's how you turn them on. Yeah, you can see it in the daylight. But we are going to also take this thing out in the nighttime. Let's try it real quick. Okay, the suspension is not bad, that's for sure. This is the smallest scooter I ever experienced. That's a really cool suspension. You know what, for the value, not bad. We should do a top speed test right now. What is the default top speed? So it's 25 kilometers an hour. Just when I thought this scooter can go faster, I had a quick search on the internet. So you hold the plus and minus buttons. Oh no, that gets you to the setting. You have to get to number 8 and you see the default value is 42. What you have to do is just to set the value to 100 and it will unlock it. Let's see if it can go faster. Okay, it's set on 100 right now. Yo, no way! Now it goes 41 kilometers an hour. And that's in gear 2. Let's see gear 3. Yo, this thing can go 57 kilometers an hour right now. Can it actually do that though? The brakes on this scooter are not the best, so we need a really straight road to try. The battery is almost fully charged. I weigh about 100 kilograms and let's see. So we are going 10 kilometers per hour, okay? 15, 20 kilometers an hour, 23, 25. Come on. 29, 30, okay? 32, come on! Come on, little buddy! 34, 35, 36. Ah, the road is ending. It also has some cruise control. Let's try it one more time. 23, 25. Come on! 36, 37, 38, 39. 40 kilometers an hour. Okay, I'll take it. I mean, for the money. Okay, still going. 43. 44. Okay, the road is ending right here. But anyway, 44 kilometers an hour for this price? That's a really cool deal actually. If you are new into scooters and you want something to move around in your city, just have a look how responsive the throttle is. I mean, It is instant, zero response time. It is also quite agile. You can also pop wheelies really easy on this one. Let's see what my friends think about it. I like it. I mean, for the money you get a really good deal. I must admit, this is actually a good looking scooter. The huge front LED light. I was not expecting this scooter to be that nice. You know what? Actually, you don't have to believe me when I say this scooter is a good deal. That is why we have Kukirin right here. Yeah. What's up? So he's going to try it. He previously tried the G4 Max. That's a huge beast of a scooter, so this will feel like a kid's toy right now. So what are your first impressions?
It's a lot smaller than the Kukirin G4 Max, was it? The throttle is different. It has this really interesting bell. It has smaller wheels and the whole scooter is a lot smaller. I didn't try it yet, but it seems decent.
Let me show you something real quick. So in order to unlock this thing, you have to press this button. It will turn on. It says card right here. You have the NFC key right here. You put it like that and bam.
What? I would say that's a lot cooler than a physical key.
And it actually can get really small, so just like that. That's the entire scooter.
Let me try to lift this one. Okay, it doesn't seem heavy at all. I could carry this up in my apartment or something. Let's take this thing for a ride. It accelerates pretty decent, I would say. So now we are on mode 1. It goes up to 25 kilometers an hour. Let's go to mode 3. Okay, it picks up speed a lot faster in mode 3. When you actually want to put your feet down, you don't have to get so low. I just got up to 41 kilometers an hour. What I've noticed, one little flaw, I would say, the deck that you are standing on feels a bit slippery, like it's just metal, untextured. Yeah, it just feels slippery. And it might be even more slippery when it's wet. For the price, it's decent.
So how do you like it?
It's nice. For city commuting, it's really nice. I would say it's way better than those regular street scooters. This is also cheap in terms of money, but it doesn't feel cheap. It feels kind of premium. This throttle feels way better than expected.
Do you know this thing has turn signals? It has this button right here.
Okay, that's actually very impressive. I wasn't expecting that. I saw the bumps and I was like, okay, that's just the design of the grips. I really like the bell, because it's pretty recognizable. People will get out of your way.
So how do you like the brakes on this thing? Because I don't really like them, so I want to hear your opinion.
I could feel that they are not the best brakes, but I would say they are almost to the limit. But just for slowing down, I would say they are enough.
Is $500 a good price tag for this scooter?
I would say yes. Like, I would pay $500 for this scooter. At the same time, I wouldn't pay $2,000 for the other one. At least for my use case, where I just commute around the city, this feels like the better option. Almost the best option.
Well, thank you very much, Kukirin. I can always count on your review. You can actually get this thing for about $500. If you want a huge discount, you can check the link in the description. So obviously, I'm known for reviewing Kukirin scooters, and yes, I believe they are great value scooters. You are getting what you're paying for. So you would expect this scooter to have a huge competition in the market right now. And yes, the competition is really high because also the Kukirin brand is also providing a lot of entry-level models. But what makes this one special? Some key features I will say are the NFC key together with the finger throttle and its portability. I mean, let's be honest, this scooter is really portable. You can take it with you everywhere. And not only that, but you can cut traffic like it's not even there. Let's have a quick top speed test right now. So we're already going 40 kilometers an hour. That's crazy. 44, 46, 47. Come on. You can do it. It just wouldn't go faster than 46 kilometers an hour. Maybe I'm just too heavy for it. But that speed, considering the price tag, I mean, come on. The build quality is great. This will be the amount of light it's blasting. Not bad if you ask me. It is actually really usable in the nighttime. Ain't it funny how the word awesome is spelled awesome? And the brand's name, Ausom, is spelled awesome. Imagine your friends asking you, what brand is your scooter? And you say like, my scooter is awesome. I have no idea if they knew that before naming this scooter Ausom. But man, look at this. It's looking so beautiful. You can easily tell this is a modern scooter. And I feel really confident when I say I would go out with this thing every day. If I just want to commute around, this scooter can easily do it. The turn signals are crazy bright, as you can see. And yeah, they nailed it actually with this model. The front light looks exactly like a lightsaber. It's funny how those people behind me record some election stuff. Can you believe they advertise between 65 and 80 kilometers range for this thing? Obviously that's for 25 kilometers per hour limit, I guess. They gave me a $110 discount code. Like, that's the biggest discount code I ever had in my life. To be honest, I was not expecting commuter scooters to be that much fun. I mean, just look at me hitting the streets with 40 kilometers an hour with no problems. Let's do a brake test. Okay, that's not bad actually. It also has e-brake. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, you get it. Share your thoughts about this scooter in the comment section. Some of you guys might actually have it. Can you believe we are almost 5,000 people on this community? I wanna thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. And stay tuned.